Did you ever visit her in New York?
Oh, often. Not when I was younger, but when we were older, and especially after my father died. My mother and my brother and I always went up to see Kadia and Simcha. They lived in Brooklyn. I don't know the exact address. My brother could have told you, but he drove, I didn't. And they had a small apartment. It was not very big. And it was covered with books. Now, you can't find a book in my apartment, but that's because my closets are lined with books, not clothes. But her apartment was covered from head to toe with books, all kinds of books. And we went places. I have pictures of Kadia when we went to Coney Island. And she and Simcha were with us. And my grandfather came to that one too. So we did do things, but my mother and Kadia got along so well together. They used to talk constantly, and probably talking of their childhood. Who remembers? I don't.